I will share with you how I make the most delicious plov on a kitchen stove. I always make plov with beef, and rice doesn't stick together. It's gonna be amazing. These are the ingredients I'll be using. We'll need some beef stew, rice, carrot, garlic, onion, butter, oil, raisin, and some seasoning. I'll start off by washing the rice. I have 1 2/3 of a cup of basmati rice. I definitely recommend using long grain rice when making plov. Long grain rice is separate, it's not sticky, and that's how plov should be like. Wash the rice until water is clear and then fill it with water and let it stand in water for 10 minutes. Soaking rice in water will make it fluffy and less clumpy. Next, we're gonna prepare our vegetables. Cut 1 medium onion into 1-inch sticks. Next, cut 2 medium-sized carrots into about 2-inch thin sticks. They should look something like this. And we'll need 1 garlic. I'll cut the top of it to open the cloves. This is cast iron wok I'll be using. I will leave a link to it below in the description. Start heating up the oil. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of butter. That's about 40 grams. When oil heats up real good, you're gonna add 1.5 pounds of beef stew. You'll be steaming the beef in oil for about 10 minutes until it turns rich brown color. I'll be mixing the meat every 2 minutes or so just to make sure it's cooking evenly. After about 10 minutes, it's gonna get this really good brown color. I'm gonna close the lid, reduce the heat to low, and let them simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm gonna take the meat out. Set your heat to high and fry the onion until golden in color. And then add the carrot. You're gonna let the carrot fry in the hot oil for a few minutes to add some color. Then add the meat. Add 3 cups of fresh water. Add the rice and make sure you drain the water completely. Wash the raisin and add 1/2 of a cup of raisin. I'm adding 1/2 of a tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Those are essential when making plov, and I will leave a link in the description below just in case you can't find them in store. Add 1/2 of a teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning usually includes basil, oregano, rosemary, thyme, garlic powder, and sage. Add some black pepper, and then I'll mix just a little bit. Add few leaves of bay leaf. Add the garlic. When water starts to boil, reduce the heat to low, close the lid, and let it cook for 20 minutes. And that's it, the plov is ready. I really hope you can try this, and I think it's the best plov you can make in indoor kitchen. When garlic cools down a little bit, you can squeeze it and take those garlic cloves out easily. And I love to eat my plov with fresh pickles. It's so good. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you again soon.